Good evening, my dear students and all viewers of my videos. Welcome to Vedic Gurukul YouTube classes. This is Jitendra Behera, teacher in mathematics at Bhubaneswar, Odisha. In my previous class, I was discussed about polynomial, and some student requested me to discuss more about polynomial. So today I am coming with more about polynomial. So let's start. Today, I will first discuss representation of a polynomial, how we will represent a polynomial in our copy. Generally, we are represent a polynomial like f of x is equal to h of y is equal to 3y square minus 2y plus root 3, like gx is equal to 2, and we will like q of x is equal to x plus 3. We can represent a polynomial like fx, h of y, g of x, q of x, p of x. Generally you can take any alphabet, but popularly we are taking fx, hx, g of x, p of x, q of x. Okay. So this is all about representation of polynomial. Now I will discuss types of polynomial. In types of polynomial, first polynomial will come, that is constant polynomial. What is constant polynomial? F of x is equal to root 5 or g of x is equal to 1 by 2. It is constant polynomial, or you can say it is degree 0 polynomial. Okay, because here there is no variable, means x to the power 0 means 1 is there. Okay, so its degree is 0 and this is known as constant polynomial. Next will come, that is linear polynomial. What is linear polynomial? Linear polynomial means it is degree 1 polynomial. If I will put a particular example, then I can write p of y equals to 2y plus 3. Here the power of the variable of the leading term is 1. Nothing is there means y to the power 1 is there. Okay. So it's degree 1 polynomial, or popularly we can say it is a linear polynomial. Okay. Then will come, it is a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial we can represent h of x is equal to 3x square plus 3. Okay. Here the highest power of the variable is 2. So it is degree 2 polynomial, and we can say it is quadratic polynomial. Then will come cubic polynomial. What is cubic polynomial? P of y is equal to 3y cube. If the highest power of the variable is 3, then we can say that it is degree 3 polynomial, or we can say it is a cubic polynomial. Next will come, this is biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial, if I will take a particular example, I will discuss f of x equals to 2x to the power 4 plus 3x square. Here the highest power of the variable is 4, so it is known as degree 4 polynomial or biquadratic polynomial. Okay student, let's understand what is the value of a polynomial. How we will find the particular value of a polynomial. Let's take one example. When f of x equals to 2x square plus 3x minus 2, at that time, when I will take at x is equal to 0, f of 0 is equal to 2 into 0 square plus 3 into 0 minus 2. Then it will become 0 plus 0 minus 2. So f of 0 is equal to minus 2. So f of 0 is equal to minus 2 is known as value of the polynomial at x is equal to 0. When x is equal to minus 2, let's know what is its value. Then f of minus 2 equals to 2x square will become 2 into minus 2 whole square, plus 3x will become plus 3 into minus 2, and this minus 2 will remain constant, that is minus 2. So by little solving we get minus 2 whole square equals to plus 4, then 2 into plus 4, 3 into minus 2 will become minus 6, and minus 2 will become minus 2. So it will become 8 minus 8 equals to 0. Here we get f of minus 2 is equal to 0. Let's discuss this case particularly. Now I will tell you what is zero of a polynomial, or you can say what is roots of a polynomial. Okay. Here in this example we got f of minus 2 is equal to 0. Here f of minus 2 is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 2. The value of the polynomial fx equals to 2x square plus 3x minus 2 becomes 0. Okay. So hence minus 2 is known as 0 of a polynomial, or you can say roots of the polynomial fx. I think this is helpful. In my next video I will discuss more about the topic. So just wait for my next video. Thank you.